Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enable and adjust FSR in Where Winds Meet. First, you want to open the main menu by pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller. Then, go into Settings. In Settings, navigate to the Display section and scroll down to Super Resolution Sampling subsection. Here, you can see Super Resolution Type setting. Click on it and enable FSR. Here, you can change the Super Resolution quality. You can adjust it from 40 to 150. I'll leave it at about 100. And, well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe as it helps our channel greatly.